Hi, Crystals101 again, and today let's talk about Blue Apatite. Isn't that gorgeous? I received this as a gift from hubby. It's an amazing blue color. It's like looking at various worlds within the crystal. Blue Apatite is very much a throat chakra crystal as well as for the third eye. The crystal is good in the sense of the third eye. The crystal is good for a deeper meditation. In the sense of the throat chakra, this crystal is good for communication. It's good for public speaking, group communication, and communication one-on-one. This crystal is also believed to be good for manifestation. So it's a good crystal to put, if you are, for instance, a writer or something, it's a good crystal to have by your laptop. Manifesting your dreams. It's also good, speaking of dreams, it's also good for dreaming, for creative problem solving in your dreams. This is Blue Apatite. You can get smaller pieces, even like little chunks. So don't think you have to get a big one like that. Good for the throat chakra, third eye chakra, good for manifestation, good for a deeper meditation, good for communication, communicating one-on-one, public speaking, communicating in a group. And did I miss anything? Good for openness and social ease. Sometimes we go to these networking meetings and we haven't a thing to say, don't know what to say. Blue Apatite, good for social ease, getting along with people. And that's Blue Apatite. It's a very reasonably priced stone. I think pretty easily found as well. Blue Apatite, amazing, lovely. It's kind of blue-green, bits of white in there. It's good.